Hey guys, it's me Tata and today I will show you the most fashionable makeup Instagram bloggers. Let's go! First, apply facial moisturizer. What products I use will leave in the description. Then we apply a foundation suitable for our skin type. Contouring is already out of fashion, so don't do it. Now we stick the tape to create a line from the corner of the eye to the end of the eyebrow. Well, now we put on the eyes pearl light brown shadows. Now darkens the area of the triangle with dark pearl shadows. Don't forget to put the liner. Mascara makes eyes more expressive. Eyebrows are only combed, but if your eyebrows require correction, then wet them with shadows. Apply light pink blush on cheekbones with a very thin layer. Apply light brown blush over cheekbones, also a very thin layer. And the main feature of this makeup is the highlighter. We put it over cheekbones, on a nose and over a lip. As the makeup is in bright colors, the contour apply light brown. And at the end apply lip gloss.